Betsy Belle, the witch from Tennessee. They said that she was singing when they hung her from the tree. By day she was a baker, her treats the whole town knew. Spent all day in the kitchen singing foreign tunes. All the men they fancied Miss Betsy Belle's delights, but it was her singing that kept them up at night. You heard the tale of Betsy Belle, the witch from Tennessee. They said that she was singing when they hung her from the tree. Of old Betsy Belle, the wives begin to brew stories of her casting spells, cursing all the food. And when the ill fell down on the children in town, the cause no one knew, they all blamed old Betsy Belle for singing the devil's tune. Tale of Betsy Belle, the witch from Tennessee. They said that she was singing when they hung her from the tree. You heard the tale of Betsy Belle, the witch from Tennessee. They say that she was singing when they hung her from the tree. They say that she was singing when they hung her from the tree. They say that she is singing still by the hanging tree.
Since I saw you, are you still making beds for the devil and all of his friends? Should I open my front door, baby, and let you in? It started in the spring of '79, sipping on moonshine and getting too high. He saw everything. I can still remember, baby, the words you sang. Ooh, ooh, I know you're bad news. Every time you come round here, I get the blues. Ooh, ooh, I'm feeling so high.
That wheel off. Oh yeah, great. Remember that time when I gnawed and Pigeon and hey, well, that, you know what? I might have to do a booty beer then, right?
Oh yeah.
Booty.
We can drink a beer out of it.
Yeah. Yeah, it's you gotta do it. Gotta do it, yeah. I did it in the presence of others, so. They don't count, so. Ah, thank you. Oh boy. Hey Matt, I gotta do a booty beer. He can do one later.
Every time you come round here, I get the blues. Ooh, I'm feeling so high.
Booty beer.
Just to crash and burn when you say
I think I got more on me than in me. So. Thank you, appreciate it, guys. Yeah, this isn't bad. This is duck and run. This is just boogie water. Yeah, stay here. It's just yeah.
Betsy Belle, the witch from Tennessee. They said that she was singing when they hung her from the tree.